When March comes, I think all things green. Shamrocks, green grass, and going for green on your plate. That's right. March is Nutrition Month. What's on your plate?
In further research, I found www.myplate.gov, which gave me some ideas of how to look at nutrition in a new way this month. A way to reset and look at our plates and covering them with colorful fruits and vegetables. Think of a rainbow as you decide to add half of your plate full of fruits and vegetables. This morning, for example, our family enjoyed a colorful fruit salad. Looking at fresh cut vegetables and making sure that our plate also includes proteins from nuts, meats, and cheeses. Even a hard-boiled egg can serve as a great protein. Of course, adding grains such as rices, breads, or pastas. Oatmeal can also serve as a great grain. Of course, making sure you're drinking at least 8 glasses of water. And if you're not really a fan of water, make sure you're not adding anything sugary in your drinking and add instead slices of fresh fruit. The colorful will make it more fun. Healthy snacks can also provide a great way to make sure that you're covering all your major food groups. In fact, having a slice of toast with a spread of nut butter and some fresh fruits can be a great snack. Even a tray with all sorts of finger foods can be wonderful too. After school snacking can be just as simple as sliced apples and some peanut butter.
Need some inspiration? How about checking out some of these books at Manlius Library, including Your Body on Sugar. Continuing with this series, Your Body on Salt. And then the Strong Kids Healthy Plate, Great Grains. And onto Delicious Dairy, Sensible Salts, Sugars, and Fats. And again, in this series, by Katie Marsko, Powerful Proteins. Some fun picture books as well, including Sid the Science Kid, Why Can't I Have Cake for Dinner? And this new magazine series, Chop Chop, which gives lots of little tips on recipes and more, all about food. And how about Seeing What We Eat? Getting a first look at a first book about healthy eating. What You Eat, Pictures and Answers for the Curious Mind. And this is from Valerie Fisher. You can sign out these books and more at the Manlius Library.
Why celebrate Nutrition Month in the month of March? Well, it's a great excuse to reset. You'll feel better. And you know what? Cooking with your family can be so much fun. Sitting down for family meals is so important as well. A great chance for families to reconnect over some healthful eating. Studies show that, in fact, breakfast can be the most important meal of the day, improving test scores and focus. Thanks for checking out this session of Create Your Own. Be sure to subscribe to our Manlius Library YouTube channel for more ideas and more inspiration.